How to fix Discord not opening on startup. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about fixing the Discord if it's not opening when your computer starts. The first method is to enable the Discord powered with Windows. For that, you need to open the Discord application, click on the gear icon or the user settings, and turn on the Open Discord option to launch it automatically on startup. Another thing you can do is enable the Discord in Task Manager. Right-click on the bottom of your screen and click on Task Manager. Now in the Task Manager, click the Startup tab on the left side, that is between App History and Users. Now from this page, you need to go ahead and simply find the Discord in the list. If it says disabled, right-click on it and select Enable, and you'll be done. Now another thing you can do is add Discord to startup manually. So right-click on the Windows icon and select Run. Simply enter this command and hit OK. This will open the startup folder. Right-click on the folder and choose New, and then tap on Shortcut. You will need to paste the location of the Discord application here. Paste the location and then click on Next. Leave the default shortcut name as a Discord and click on Finish and restart your PC, and you'll be done. Now another thing you can do is run the Discord as an administrator. Go ahead and search for Discord. Right-click on it and select Run it as an administrator, and you'll be done. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.